Hi, everyone. Welcome to another interview with successful business analysis practitioners. Today, we'll be interacting with Rohit, who's a CBAP certified business analyst now. My name is Nitin, and I will be the host for this particular interview. Hi, Rohit. How are you? How's life? How's everything going?
Hi, Nitin. Thank you so much for the introduction. And I'm all going good, and it was really good to have because of Techcanvass, I got CBAP certified in a very first time.
Congratulations again, Rohit. Has the life changed after becoming CBAP certified? Do you feel any change around you?
So far, I need to look for the profile change. So I'm looking for that new role.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, Rohit, before we begin to understand your journey of becoming CBAP certified, if you can tell us about yourself, your professional background, that would be great.
Yeah. Uh, this is Rohit Sethi. I'm having 15 years of experience into trade finance banking domain, BFSI, and I worked with RBS, HSBC. Currently, I'm working with TCS, an onshore project in Middle East, Bahrain, and I'm from non-technical background, non-BA.
Mhm.
So if I'm looking for a profile change, so I opted for business analyst domain.
Yeah.
And in 2022, I opted for ECBA session
Okay.
that was conducted by Abhishek sir. And in the same year, I cleared the exam as well. And in March 2024, I cleared the MP exam. That also from under the guidance of Techcanvass. That gave me confidence, so I thought of opting for the CBAP. And in June 2024, I opted CBAP sessions, and it took me 1 year. I took my time because I'm a non-BA veteran. So
Yeah.
in, now in May, I could clear the CBAP.
Okay. So you're ECBA certified, and then now you're CBAP certified, if I've got that correct, right, Rohit?
Right,
Okay. Okay.
correct.
Any other specific reason why you chose CBAP apart from, like you said, you are from non-BA background and wanted to understand business analysis world. Any other reason why it was IIBA's CBAP and not any other certification related to business analysis?
Um, Prior to the CBAP, I cleared the PMP, so I thought some bit of a connection with that CBAP because a lot of the glossaries and all terminologies are somewhat similar. So I found it some
Mhm.
connection thing. So it helped me connecting the dots.
Okay, it makes sense.
So I opted
And how did your preparation go? You said you took 1 year to prepare for CBAP. So let's talk about how you started. What were the challenges you faced, and how you overcame that?
so I've gone through the sessions taken by Harsh sir, and then after I have also attended the session of Satish sir also, and
Okay.
I've read the BABOK. I focused on BABOK. I read n number of times, multiple times, to uh, get the clarity of all, word by word. And any, I attended the doubt clearing sessions to get all the clarities. Mm, that is one of the reasons. That is one of the reasons. And I've
Okay.
attended two times, and so that
Any
helped me.
any challenges which you faced during your preparation journey?
Yeah, since I'm from non-BA background, so there are a lot of technical terms and all. So that challenge I faced, but the tech canvas team helped me in clarifying all the doubts.
Okay, awesome, awesome. So let's now talk about Tech Canvas. How Tech Canvas was helpful in achieving this milestone, and what was that one element which you liked the most? Was it the training? Was it the trainer, or the overall experience of Tech Canvas?
Actually, it's an overall experience, training as well as the sessions, all that I have attended, as well as the doubt clearing session. That is also very very important, and all the materials, the question banks, and all the material um, that is exceptional. That I won't get it anywhere.
All right.
So that is one.
Thank you, Rohit. Glad to hear that. One last thing which I wanted to check with you are those top three tips which you want to share with business analysts who are either thinking of giving this exam or are already in the phase of preparing for it.
The first would be to read the BABOK thoroughly, multiple times, and to get the clarity of all the jargons and all the terminologies, as well as to clarify all the doubts. And the question bank, at least we should go through the question bank at least 2 times. And the third is we need to take a good sleep last night before exam in order to get more focus during exam. So these three tips.
Okay. Good one, Rohit. All right, I am done with the feedback session, Rohit. It was great interacting with you, and congratulations again, and thank you for giving us this time.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohit. Take care.